Hello guys, welcome to the 5th day of your home transformation. Thank you for staying strong. Today is going to be great, so let's jump straight on it. First workout, pretty simple idea. We have 6 exercises. Try to make it non-stop all the way through 7 rounds. You can take short breaks if you need them, but you have one longer break after you complete the whole workout. Also, you have to add 1 or 2 more reps with every next round, depending on the kind of exercise. We start with 5 squat jumps. We add 1 more rep with every next round. Also, you are free to choose the intensity. You can do low jumps if you're just warming up, or you can do explosive jumps if you want to spice it up. Butt kicks. Good way to warm up your legs and pick up your heart rate at the same time. We start with 10 reps, means 5 on the right and 5 on the left, and add 2 more repetitions with every next round. Cycling twists. Right knee goes to the left elbow and left knee goes to the right elbow. We start with 10 reps, 1 knee elbow touch counts as 1. Also, you are free to choose your pace and intensity, and these are easier alternatives. Superman pulls. You're free to do it with towel or without the towel, it's up to you. Just keep your chest nice and round and keep your glutes and back muscles engaged. We start with 5 reps and add 1 more with every next round. Inchworm get-ups. You start from the face down position and all you have to do is, using the strength of your arms, walk yourself up to the upright position and reach up like you're trying to touch the ceiling. Every time touch the floor with your chest. Next one is actually a combination of moves. You know burpee, you know bunny hop, and you know high knees. So you have to mix it all together. An easier alternative is to do a half burpee. So you don't go all the way down to the floor, you just jump out, jump back, and make a bunny hop. This is a half burpee. Another option is a step out burpee. You step out, jump forward, and make a bunny hop. This is the easiest version for this combo. Have fun!